In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to Clickup with an easy integration process that can be completed in about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing tasks, emails, or schedules, this integration will streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Let's dive in. To start, you'll need to navigate to Clickup's official website. This is your go-to hub for all things related to managing your projects and tasks. Once you're there, locate the login button. It should be prominently displayed. Giving it a click will take you to the sign in page. If you typically use Google to manage your Clickup account, go ahead and click on the sign into Google option. This will be your quickest route. Next, it's time to select your preferred Google account. Make sure it's the account you regularly use with Clickup to ensure that all your information syncs properly. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the profile icon at the top left corner of the Clickup dashboard. This is a crucial step as it provides access to those customization features and integration tools. Now, with your profile in view, hover over the Apps section. This menu is packed with options and leads you to the various integrations Clickup has to offer. When you hover on Apps, a drop down should appear. From there you'll find the App Center. This is where the magic happens when integrating your favorite third-party applications with Clickup. Within the App Center, use the search bar to type Outlook. This will narrow down the options instantly and bring Outlook Email to the forefront. Click on Outlook Email once it appears. By doing this, you're opening the configuration settings specifically for Outlook's integration. From this configuration page, you'll see a prompt to configure the Outlook integration. Click on that. This step prepares Clickup to connect with your Outlook account securely and efficiently. Next, you'll have the option to add a new connection, so look for the plus add new button and give it a click. This initiates the connection process between your accounts. Finally, it's time to click Sign In with Microsoft. This crucial step will guide you through entering your Outlook or Microsoft credentials. Follow through with the prompts to grant Clickup access to your Outlook email. That's it, your accounts will now be connected. And there you have it, with just a few clicks, your Outlook email and Clickup account are now fully integrated. This connection will help you manage your emails alongside tasks directly from Clickup, ensuring seamless transitions and heightened productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to explore other integrations to supercharge your workflow.